We have an example problem. An object is 4.1 centimeters tall and 10.3 centimeters from a converging lens. The image is virtual and 6.2 centimeters tall. What is the focal length of the lens? All right, so we have our object. So we'll say H, the height of this object is 4.1 centimeters tall. The object is 10.3 centimeters from our converging lens. That's S, the object distance. Our image is virtual and it is 6.2 centimeters tall. So that's our H prime. Okay, a couple things to keep in mind. Our converging lenses, if we come to our table, converging lenses have positive focal lengths. That just means as we go through the math, we better come up with a positive answer. If we come up with a negative answer, we can't just make it positive. We have to find our mistake. The math itself needs to give us the positive answer. Our image is virtual, so image distance for a lens. This image will be on the same side as the object. Virtual means S prime will be negative. So a couple equations. We have 1 over F is equal to 1 over S plus 1 over S prime. We have magnification is negative S prime over S. We have our absolute value of magnification is H prime over H. So in terms of information, we have H prime and H, so we can easily get the absolute value of this magnification. So our image is 6.2 centimeters tall. Our object is 4.1 centimeters tall. So our magnification, 6.2 divided by 4.1. 1.512 is our magnification, and this is the absolute value of it. When we come back to this middle equation, we need to know whether or not magnification is positive or negative. This number we just came up with could be positive or negative. And when we plug it into this middle equation, we have to have the sign correct. Well, we can think that through based off of the fact our image is virtual, so S prime needs to be negative. When we have magnification, if S prime is negative, we come up with a positive answer because we have a negative in the equation and then we have a negative sign for the S prime. So this magnification will be positive. So we can say positive 1.512 is going to equal negative S prime over S. So when I cross multiply, so I just need to multiply that magnification by 10.3, I find that S prime is 15.576. This will be in centimeters because S was in centimeters. So we do have that negative value for S prime. Well, we're looking for the focal length of the lens, so we want F here. 1 over F is going to be 1 over S plus 1 over S prime. These are both in centimeters. So as far as what I will put in my calculator is this. And again, we better come up with a positive answer because we are working with a converging lens. So plugging in, I'm getting 30.41. This is in centimeters because both of these numbers were in centimeters. We have 2 sig figs, so the focal length of this lens is 30 centimeters. We do get the positive answer. Table tells me converging lenses have positive focal lengths, so that is good. We do need to end up with that positive answer.